Looking for top-notch heating and cooling solutions? Look no further. Welcome to Beans Heating and Cooling, your ultimate comfort destination. With a legacy of excellence, we bring you unmatched expertise in HVAC services. From installations to repairs, we've got you covered. Our certified technicians ensure efficient systems that keep your space cozy in winters and refreshingly cool in summers. Experience the Beans difference today. Beans Heating and Cooling, where comfort meets innovation. Visit us at beansheatingandcooling.com or call now for a free consultation. Your comfort, our priority.